Hello, all, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn the most important concept, that is index of undefined index and the last index of. Okay, these three are very close to each other and these are very useful in real-time programming. So please just we can take some examples and we can understand so that it's going to be very easy while you are working. So if you see, I have taken simple example, mm, just a variable car and we have some car details. So i20 Nexon. A Nexon I have taken two times because suppose if you see one rich person have a lot of cars in his garage, right? So he has two Nexons, he has two Innovas and Brezza. He has two i20 also. So which is your favorite car? Just ping me in the comment section. Okay, which is your favorite car in this list? Or which is your favorite car at least in your dream? What is your dream car? Okay, fine. Now, okay, I want to see like what is the use case of index of. So I'm taking some variable constant. I'm just putting result. So cars dot index of. Sometimes we'll check whether we have a Nexon car in our garage or not. So if you see, so what it will do, if you just find this index of Nexon, it will start searching from the first item. Okay, no, second item, yeah, we got it. So it will return the index number. Okay, later you can utilize that index number to do some operations. Okay, so what it will return? It will return the index number of the first occurrence because we have Nexon here also. It's not going to return what is the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the index number of this is a 7, but it is not going to return 7. It will return only 1, and even it is not going to return 1 comma 7 like that. So it will return the first occurrence. This is very very important. Okay, just to do console.log. Sometimes we can check whether um, that particular car is there in our garage or not. So if you just check index of, so if you got the result 1, that means that is a proof that that car is there in our garage. Of course we can check with the find or sum also, but of course some situations we can use this also. So result, let's see. So what will be the output? So we got the output as 1. Okay, the index number is 1. Okay, let me add some good message here. Index of Nexon first occurrence. Okay, otherwise okay, index of Nexon, that's it. Hopefully you can understand. So do practice, of course, just wait. A lot of twists and turns are there here. Okay, index of Nexon 1 is perfect. Suppose if you see, if I put comma 2, okay, yes, index of will accept two arguments. Okay, okay, just guess what will be the result for this program. So what is the meaning of this if I give it 2? So just see the result, then we can come back. So previously it was 1, now it is giving 7. Okay, why it is giving 7? Okay, it's an interesting thing. So what has given? I given 2. That means we are saying that okay, you can start find the index or like search the index of this Nexon from index number 2. So this is index number 0, index number 1 and index number 2. So what we are suggesting, so you don't need to find out in the first two index numbers. Those things already I know. Just check whether we have a Nexon from index number 2 like that. So what it will do, it will start searching from this item. Okay, no, no Nexon, no Nexon, no Nexon, no Nexon. No. Oh, we got the Nexon here. What is the index of this Nexon in that particular array? That is 7. So that we got the result as 7. Of course, maybe you will see that Raghu, in which situation we are going to use this kind of the foolish like scenarios. No, no, no. Definitely we will get while we are working in real time. Definitely we can use these things in a effective way. So if possible, I will come up with one good example of a real time. Let's see. So and here one more thing is there. This is super cool. So here, instead of just doing index of, you can do the last index of. What it will do? I hope you know that. What is the last index? Index of means last occurrence. So next on, this is the first occurrence. This is the last occurrence. Even if you give one more next on here, it will find that occurrence. So here in this example, the last occurrence is at index number 7. So that it will return index number 7. So just refresh. Yes, index of. So even if you have question, we can say the last index of Nexon occurrence. So that is 7. Okay, fine. Then who is this find index? Okay, already we understand two things. One is index of, another one is last index of. Okay, we can get the last index. Then another person is there to confuse us. Find index. What the hell is this find index? Okay, let's see. So we can try with, okay, here we can go with index of. Index of. So it will be a result is 1, right? Already we know that. So if you see, I'm trying in a different way with the help of find index. And what is the use of that? We can understand in a little bit time. So I'm taking constant result to the cars dot find index. If you see, this find index is expecting a callback function. Okay, we know, right? Map for each and filter and find, they are expecting a callback function, but index of is expecting just a string. If you give a string, it will find that index of that. But find index, we need to pass the callback function. So let's see. I'm passing callback function item arrow mark. Okay, I'm just checking if item is triple equal to next on. Next on, I need to get the results. That's it. Just if you see console.log. So and here is result 2. Result is 2. Just refresh. Okay, let me uh, put here with the find index. What is the result? So if you see, we are getting the same result. So if we are getting the same result with this index of and find index, why we need to make it complex? Because it's very difficult. It's somewhat difficult than the passing the string, right? Why we need to take this kind of risk? Wait. So if you apply find index on this type of array, like these are primitives, right? These are just normal strings. Okay, in that situation, it's better to go with index of. But in real time situations, you can't get these kind of array every time, right? Maybe we will get the information like this. Okay, if we get information like this, so if you see how it is possible with index of, if you pass the string, it's not possible, right? So remember, if we are dealing with primitives, yes, you can go with index of, but whenever we have a non-primitive, non-primitives. Suppose if you ask the question, Raghu, what the hell is this primitive or non-primitive? I can't do anything now. So please go back and watch all the playlist, or at least watch what is the primitive and non-primitive. You should learn. I hope if you are following this series, hopefully you know that. Otherwise, yeah, we need to learn. JavaScript is not that much easy. So non-primitives. So non-primitives are nothing like just arrays and objects and functions and classes. We can call it as a non-primitives. Okay, simple. So if you have a complex data, at the time, it's better to go with a find index because it's not possible with a normal index of. So here, what we can do, this is simple. So more like a car showroom. Okay. So in the car showroom, we'll get a lot of cards and they will provide all the information related to cars, right? So at that time, car showroom find index item dot car name triple is equal to Nexon. Then it is more meaningful. So it is also returning. Oh my God, what happened? Find index is giving -1. That means we did something wrong. Yes, absolutely, we have done wrong because Nexon is a small letter and we are just trying to search with a capital letter. Oh, definitely, that is a problem. So you see, just return true. That means what you understood. If it doesn't find an item either with the find index or index of, if it doesn't find, it will return -1. So this is you got the result 1. And if you don't find, if this array in this array, if you can't find the nexon or the given expected the values, then it will return -1. So if you got the result as -1 when you are trying with a find index and index of, means that item is not available in that particular array or particular array of objects. So I hope you got the clarity. Yes, I hope. Please do practice. Without practice, it's not that much easy. So here I got some beautiful explanation difference between the index of and find index of from Stack Overflow. So I'm going to copy the same information in the like description. Please just note down somewhere so that it's very useful while attending interviews. Okay, that's it. And from next video, we are going to enter into callback hell and promises and lot of interesting stuff. Hope you will enjoy. Bye bye.